This is your weekly menu, and it's a PDF file. So in the upper right hand corner, if you're in Chrome, you can print it or you can download it. Or on this other side, you can click on print, and that'll print your PDF file. On the weekly menu, on this particular one, you'll see a dietitian signature. Some people need this and others don't. It just depends on your preference. There's a Grove Menus logo, and if you will email us your logo, we will replace it, and you'll have yours instead of ours. And just send it to support@grovemenus.com. On the left-hand side here, you can change the formatting. This is not where you edit the weekly menu, but just change the formatting. So if you want to change the title of the menu here, and you can put your facility name or whatever you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete this portion of it. And then I click in the little gray area here, and then it'll refresh the screen and update it. There are different formats. This is the default one. Maybe you want to look at what it looks like if you align your categories. And this is particularly good for those that have multiple entrees or starters. Now this spilled over on 2 pages because it's a little big, so I'm going to change the zoom to 75, and it should put it up all on 1 page. And it's easier to see now when I look at the different categories what the aligned categories means. And there's also the extra spacing if you prefer that. So you play with that and do it how you want. You can center your recipes, you can show your snacks, and then down below here you can change the labels. And if you don't even want to show a particular label, you can hide it. Also down here you can change which meal is your bigger meal. This one right now is your midday meal, but if you want it to be your dinner, just click right here and that'll do that for you. You can go from week to week to week by clicking on this little button here. So here's next week's menu by clicking this, and then I can see the week after that by clicking on it again. And there you could use the calendar icon, so if you'd rather select a date. And lastly, don't forget this pull down. You can look at your state menu from here. The state menu looks just like the weekly menu, except it shows portion sizes. And then we can go look at things like look at all this week's dinner menus and so on. So if you have any questions about the weekly menu, just let us know.